To fix the issue of CapCut requiring access to the album for editing and saving videos, several causes need to be considered. The problem may arise when CapCut lacks permission to access photos and videos after updating the CapCut app, or due to minor glitches. To resolve these issues, start by giving CapCut permission to access photos and videos. On your phone, open the Settings app, select the Apps option, choose CapCut, and then select the Permissions option. From there, find the Photos and Videos option and choose Allow. If this does not work, try updating the CapCut app by accessing the Google Play Store or Apple Store, searching for an update, and selecting the Update option if one is available. If the issue persists, restarting CapCut may resolve the problem, as recovery glitches can cause the app to malfunction. Simply close CapCut and reopen it to potentially fix the error. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue and use CapCut without any problems.